Introducing the Advin Health Care Premium Quality PEG Set, designed for safe and reliable percutaneous endoscopic gastrostomy procedures. It enables long-term nutritional support for patients with swallowing disorders or feeding difficulties. The set includes a high-grade silicone feeding tube that offers superior biocompatibility and long-term patient comfort. A low-profile internal bumper ensures secure placement and reduced risk of pressure-related complications. The kit provides complete components for efficient and sterile peg placement, helping reduce procedural time. Smooth surfaces and an atraumatic design help minimize irritation.